To hide all notification when Do Not Disturb is on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find notification. Tap notification and then tap Do Not Disturb. Tap hide notification and then tap the gray on off switch next to hide all until the switch turns blue to turn it on. As a note, when you enable this option, it will also automatically enable all options within this menu, which means your phone will automatically hide all notifications when Do Not Disturb is on, except those you allow. However, critical notification about phone activity and status will still be shown even when you set your phone to hide all notifications when Do Not Disturb is on. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.